I'm Salomon.
I'm Joseph. And today we're
playing Airplane 1.
Woo! I'm gonna ask people because they're coming. We're recording.
Yep. There's a lot of people in this server.
Yep, a lot of people. Some know us.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, people. I don't know if they can follow me if they want.
I think they're going over here.
Alright, because they know if we were recording.
Here we go.
We're recording. Alright. As you can see, we see a lot of people here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people. Wow. So, as you can see, people are joining. Some people know us. Everyone is coming to the server. So now we're in an airplane. Okay, mine is J12.
Mine is J13.
J13. Whoa! Next to me, Salomon.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. If we were us, we would sit each other. Oh yes.
J.
So I live in the J.
Hey Joseph, I'm over here.
Where?
Joseph. Over here.
I see you. I see you now.
We played Airplane.
Yep. J12.
It's over here.
Oh yeah, over here. Where's that J? Oh, there it is. So I sit in front of you. Oh, okay.
What? Oh.
All right, guys. We're in an airplane. We're relaxing. Oh, and I'm sorry. Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Woo!
Oh, great.
Oh, nice. Check us in our channel, Natalie Present Do. You can see us do games and plottigons every day. Yeah, right?
We're already in our seat.
Yeah. But some of them doesn't. As you can see, people are talking here. I don't know what they're talking of. Uh-oh.
Whoa, there's a rumbling.
Yeah. If people do not get off our seats, then they will. Bruh. If they would, bruh. Yeah.
It's such a bruh moment.
Yeah.
Get.
Sorry, there was a mouse speaking.
Hello.
Hello.
Ooh, delicious sandwiches. Please
I don't want to get sick.
Yeah, not me.
Look, I swear, if we die one more time, I swear, we're gonna get triggered.
Yeah, we're gonna get triggered. We're gonna get triggered.
Because you can see it for recording here.
Someone oofed.
What? Can I tell them?
Oh no! It's you!
No! No, you can't do this to me. Someone find an air kit.
Hurry!
Come on!
Hurry!
Be quiet.
Yeah.
We're recording. Help!
Help! Baggage!
Where's the
baggage?
baggage?
Hurry, he's gonna die! Oh, there it is! There it is! Yes!
Huh?
There it is! We found it!
Oh my god! Phew, that was a close one. Oh my god, I would die if nobody won't find me a baggage.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, who's that girl? Thank you, TD Barika 1, Mrs./TT14.
Hooray!
I would friend her for that.
Okay, let's go back to our seats.
Yeah, okay, J12. What the
heck?
Why is it dark like that?
Oh!
Oh nay nay.